Today we're going to be learning how to make my little boy blue blanket, and it is absolutely stunning. So we're going to start off by making a slip knot, just like so. Pop your hook in and then pull tight. We're then going to make an odd number of chains. So if you want to make a baby blanket, you would chain up 137. If you would like to know how many to chain for a different size blanket, I will pop a link in the description below for you. Once we've completed our chain, we're going to count across 4 chains from our hook, and we're going to half double crochet 2 together. So we yarn over, go into the 4th chain from our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over into the 5th chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. So we should have a total of 5 loops on our hook. Then yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on your hook. Now we're going to go back down into that 5th chain from our hook and put a double crochet. We're then going to half double crochet the next 2 chains together, so yarn over into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over into the next chain, then yarn over and pull up a loop. So you've got the 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 5. We're then going to put a double crochet down into the same space as the second part of our half double crochet 2 together. And you're going to repeat that all the way down until you get to the end and you have 2 chains left. So we'll do that one more time. So we're going to yarn over, go into the next chain available, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, so that's the half double crochet 2 together, then back down into that same space and put a double crochet. So that's the second part of the half double crochet that we put the double crochet into, and just repeat that all the way down. So when you get to the end of the row, you should have 2 chains left. You're just going to half double crochet these 2 chains together. And this is what your work should look like so far. For row 2, we're going to chain up 2 and then turn our work. And the chain 2 will count as the first part of our half double crochet 2 together. So we're going to put a half double crochet back down into the same space, and then also a double crochet into the same space. Over the next 2, we're going to half double crochet the 2 together. And then we're going to pop a double crochet down into the same space. And just repeat that all the way down. So we half double crochet 2 together, and then 1 double crochet into the same place as the second part of the half double crochet. So continue that all the way down until you have 2 stitches left, and I will meet you there. Okay, so we're now at the end, so we've got 2 stitches left, 1 and 2, and we've got our chain space here as well. So we're going to half double crochet 2 together into the closest stitch to you, and then into the chain space as well. So into the top of that chain, we're going to use that as our stitch, and just half double crochet those 2 together. Row 3, we're going to chain up 2, and then we're going to turn our work. We're then going to repeat row 2 again, so we're going to half double crochet back down into that same space, then pop a double crochet into the same space, and then we're going to half double crochet the next 2 stitches together, and pop a double crochet into the same space as the second part of the half double crochet 2 together, and repeat that all the way down until you have just 2 stitches left. And then when you get to the end of the row with the 2 stitches, you're just going to half double crochet the 2 together and just keep repeating that row 2 until you get to the size blanket that you're looking for. So if you want the charts for the blanket, you can find those on my blog for free. I will link that below for you as well, and you can also buy the paid pattern on my Etsy store. And that is all there is to it, guys. So that is how you make this beautiful blanket. I have changed the colour every 6 rows, so I've repeated the same colour for 6 rows and then changed colour. You can find all the details and the written pattern on my blog. Of course, there are ads on there, so if you would like the ad-free version, that is available on my Etsy. Everything I've used within this video is linked below. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys. If you have, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for me. If you've really liked this video, you could even do a super thanks on the video too, or you can find me over on Patreon or my Facebook group, all linked below for you. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys. I really do. It's been a joy to make, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.